Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the vegetables you can regrow from store-bought produce. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Green onions. Green onions are the easiest vegetable to regrow because grocery store bunches still have living roots attached. While many people leave them in a jar of water, they will eventually rot without soil. To plant them properly, chop off the green tops for cooking, but save 2 inches of the white bottom with the roots. Push those root bases directly into a pot of moist soil, leaving just the cut tips poking out. Place the pot on a sunny windowsill and keep the dirt damp. Within a single week, brand new green shoots will pop up that you can snip continuously for dinner. Garlic. Every single clove in a grocery store garlic bulb can grow into a whole new head. For the best results, use organic garlic, as non-organic heads are often sprayed to prevent sprouting on shelf display. Break the bulb into individual cloves, keeping the papery skin completely intact. Choose the largest cloves to plant. Poke a hole 2 inches deep in a pot of loose soil and drop the clove in flat side down with the pointy tip facing straight up. Cover it with dirt, place it in a bright spot, and keep the soil lightly moist. Green shoots will appear within days, and the clove will split into a full head underground over time. Potatoes. A single sprouted potato from your pantry can yield a massive harvest of fresh spuds. Look for store-bought potatoes, ideally organic, that are starting to grow tiny green nubs, or eyes. You can plant small potatoes whole, or slice big ones into chunks, ensuring each piece has at least one sprouted eye. If you cut them, let the pieces sit out at room temperature for 24 hours, so the cut side dries over, which prevents rot. Dig a hole 4 to 6 inches deep in a large container or garden bed. Place the potato chunk with the eye facing up and cover it with soil. Keep it watered, and new potatoes will multiply under the dirt as the plant grows. Celery. Celery is one of the most visually satisfying scraps to regrow because it sprouts right from the stump you usually throw in the trash. To start, slice off the bottom 2 inches of a grocery store celery bunch. While you can sit the stump in a shallow dish of water for a few days to encourage early roots, it's best to plant it directly into a pot of rich, moist soil for long-term growth. Bury the stump so that the soil comes up the sides, leaving only the freshly cut top exposed to the air and light. Place your pot in a sunny spot and water it regularly. Within a couple of weeks, you will see a tight cluster of brand new celery leaves and small stalks shooting straight up from the center, perfect for chopping into soups and salads. Ginger. Regrowing ginger is incredibly rewarding, giving you fresh spices and a beautiful, tropical-looking houseplant. Look for a plump, firm piece of ginger at the grocery store that is at least 2 inches long and has little rounded bumps or eyes on the tips. This is where the new shoots will grow. You can plant the whole root or break it into smaller chunks. Just make sure each piece has an eye. Plant the ginger pieces about 1 inch deep in a wide pot filled with loose, nutrient-rich soil or compost, keeping the eyes pointing upward. Keep the soil warm and consistently moist, but not soggy. Ginger takes a little patience, but in about a month, tall green shoots will emerge while the spicy root multiplies beneath the surface. Basil. You can easily turn a single pack of fresh grocery store basil into an endless summer supply using a simple glass of water. To start, pick out the healthiest, sturdiest green stems from your grocery bundle. Snip the bottom of the stem at an angle and pinch off all the lower leaves, leaving just a few leaves at the very top. Place the bare stems into a jar of water, making sure no leaves are submerged, as they will rot. Set the jar in a sunny window and change the water every few days. Within a week or two, you will see little white roots sprouting directly out of the stems. Once those roots are a couple of inches long, gently plant the stems into a pot of moist soil. Mint. Mint is famously vigorous, which makes it one of the absolute easiest herbs to regrow from fresh grocery store clippings. Just like basil, select a crisp, healthy stem from your fresh bundle and strip away the lower leaves. Check the top of your cutting to make sure it doesn't have any tiny flowers starting to bloom, as flowers drain the plant's energy away from making roots. Place the bare stem in a glass of water near a bright window. Once thick white roots develop in the water, transfer the cutting into a pot with rich soil. One crucial beginner tip: always keep your newly planted mint in a container. Mint grows like a weed and will rapidly take over your entire garden if planted directly in the ground. Leeks. Leeks belong to the same family as green onions, meaning they regrow using the exact same foolproof method. When shopping, look for leeks that still have a fuzzy cluster of roots attached at the flat bottom. To use them, chop off the upper stalks for your cooking, but save about 1 to 2 inches of the firm root base. While you can start them in a shallow dish of water, the most successful method is to plant this base directly into a pot of rich dirt or a garden bed. Bury the leek base so the roots are completely covered, and just the cut top is exposed to the air. Keep the soil well watered, and within a couple of weeks, a thick, brand new leek stalk will push its way straight up from the center. Carrots. Carrots come with a major internet myth. You cannot regrow the actual orange vegetable from a kitchen scrap, because once cut, the taproot will never regenerate. However, you can easily regrow the leafy carrot tops, which are entirely edible, incredibly nutritious, and perfect for salads or homemade pesto. When preparing store-bought carrots, slice off the top 1 inch of the thick crown. Press that cut piece flat side down into a shallow dish of water, or gently push it into a pot of damp soil, leaving the top ridge completely exposed. Place it on a bright windowsill and keep the soil or water fresh. In just a few days, beautiful, feathery green leaves will shoot up. Let them grow tall for a few weeks, then snip the greens to add a fresh, earthy flavor to your next meal. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the vegetables you can regrow from store-bought produce. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!